Hi everyone, welcome back to Young's Garden. Thank you for tuning in. And as you can see, we are in spring and this is when it totally blossomed. And a lot of people ask, what do I do after or during summer when the heads are drying up and dying? Well, I'm making this video all about what to do when your hydrangeas are dying and it reached the end of its life period. And so it's pretty simple. You just basically cut off the heads, and after that you just feed more of the fruit plants or flower plants, and that's pretty much it. That is how I take care of my plants. And here it is, very simple. This is at night. So when I cut off the hydrangea flowers, it was very dark and the quality is pretty bad. So please, I do apologize for that, but I do have a better video in a few minutes showing a better view of cutting these heads. So pretty much just trim the top, and I try doing half of this long spreaded hydrangea. Well, technically it's not really spreaded out, it's very compact, but I did so much and I'm continuing doing the cuttings, and this is a better view, more light, of course. So all you have to do is just trim the top, and of course do clean your trimmers, your pruner with alcohol. They suggest 70% alcohol, and wipe it off nice and neat, and then start cutting away, trim away the heads. It can come back in the fall because these hydrangea do last till the fall, but in my case, what I've seen it done, because I feed so much flower plants all at once before I woke up, like in the winter, the end of winter, I feed it so much that it gave me so much flowers in the spring, and towards the end of summer it stopped giving me blossoms, which is totally fine. I just like to have so much blossom all at the same time, and it lasts for a very long time. Actually, it lasts 3 to 4 months for me. But if you do the correct way, you know, with the food water soluble mixed with water, 1 gallon, it can possibly come back. The flowers can come back after summer and give you some more blossom, because it should give you 2 seasons of blossoms. But because I did this method, which I'm showing you right now, after I cut the heads off, I basically give so much, and this is my style and it does work for me. I don't recommend this way because it's such a waste. You can add this water soluble in with water, mix it up, and start pouring out that way. This is a lot of products all at once, but again, this is my method. It can work for you. This always works for me. So again, just as for a disclaimer, it won't or might not work for you because you're in a different zone, different location, and you have your plants are located in a different spots. Mine is in the north side, so it's nice and shady, and it gets more sun in the summer, so that's when the flowers start dying, but it still has shades and sun, more sun towards the end of the day, which is nice. Lots of shade in the morning, afternoon, and this is summer and it looks great. The leaves are nice and strong for next year, and it's growing nice and well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps. Bye.